Ice cream lover Steve Christensen here, the ice cream bloke, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School. Here at the Telme booth. Now, a little bit of history with Telme, a little bit close to my heart. Used to work many years for a company called Stolting in the US. They represented Telme as a batch freezer for many years. So I worked with the Telme crew for a long time. Specialize in vertical batch freezers. That's basically their stalwart product. Beautiful batch freezer here. And look, they do pasteurizers and different things. But this year, launching a line of soft serve machines. Very new for the company, very excited. You might say, well, you know, there's a lot of soft serve machine companies. Yeah, but they don't have the pedigree of the Telme company. So we're going to talk to Michele here, who's one of the owners of Telme, and talk a little bit about the soft serve market. Look, ladies and gentlemen, this is probably the most handsome, fast-driving equipment manufacturer in all of Europe. Michele Batian, how are you, mate?
How are you?
Mate,
always fine. Hello to everybody.
We love new products at the show. And last year, I think we filmed your, what would you call that? The monster machine that fed into the
Power Lab.
The Power Lab, exactly. And this year, I feel as though Telme have taken it to a new level because we're introducing soft serve machines.
Yes, sir.
Very exciting. Tell me the thought process behind a new line of soft serve.
Okay, so first of all, we are the last company introducing a complete family of soft serve equipments.
Yeah.
This detail forced us to be on a top level.
Because it's a busy market.
Yes, of
You
course.
can't come in halfway. You've got to come right to the top.
Both legs or nothing.
Both legs or nothing. I'm going to have that as my slogan. Both legs or nothing.
So we have a new range of family of soft serve units, 5 models by gravity, 5 models with pump.
Yep.
We use gears for the pump. We decided to choose premium materials for any specific detail. We have 2 sizes of cylinder, 2 level of machine, a professional line and the top level line. We have beater in plastic with Teflon or in stainless steel. Huge capacity from 200 cones per hour up to 600 cones. Per hour.
So if I had a business that was pulling 600 cones an hour, I probably would sell my business and become a Formula One race car driver.
Nice.
So the units look really good. I mean, they're functional, but they look good. When you say the pumps, they were talking hopper pumps, correct?
Hopper pumps. You can see we have the pump in the hopper. We obviously placed also the agitation in the hopper. We can have many tools, accessories to complete the machine. Very important. We are using R290.
Yeah, which is a new gas, a new better for the environment gas.
The machine is very fast because of efficiency. The R290 is the top level for efficiency, and recovery of the unit is definitely very quick.
We filmed a guy here, the engineer. Cup, put it down. Cup, put it down. Cup.
Yes.
Time after time after time. How long has this been in the works? How long has it been in the process?
It took almost a year to be ready, so we're happy of the final result.
Right. We're going to put a link down below to the soft serve units. Working on approval in the US, perhaps?
Yes, we are under approval, so we will be ready from September 2026.
Nice. Can I just change topics for a little bit? Your Bambino, who's 7, is currently, and not every parent can say this, karting world champion.
Don't touch my heart. Don't touch my heart. Super proud dad of that.
So the goal is then obviously to move up the ranks, maybe get through the formula. Would it be a dream for Formula One?
That's our dream. Dream costs nothing, so the way we know.
Your dream,
Is-
that costs a lot of money.
But the dream, no. Only dream. Let me dream quietly. The way is long, is difficult. He's super focused. We spend a lot of time together, so that's very important.
Because you're a race car driver. You gave up
Yeah.
race car driving.
Yeah, I was.
You were quick though.
Yeah. I was not bad.
Well, congratulations on all you've done, on your family's accomplishments, but this new range of soft serve machine, the Stolting, when I was working at Stolting, the Telme people were always wonderful to me. So
Thank you so much.
family business, just very, very. And Silvestro's coming in here.
Hi, doing
Silvestro has been here since 1913. He's been
more or less 112 years old, but still alive.
That's right. Keep on scooping, folks. We'll put all the links to all of the Tell Me gear down below. Keep on scooping. We'll see you in the next one.
Ciao.